everyone, I have a Christmas watercolour challenge for you. It's an Advent style one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a short video of 5 to 10 minutes every day from the 1st to the 24th of December. And the main aim of this is to give you a little bit of a challenge, either to watch or complete the activity. And it's going to go through lots of different tips and techniques. So I want to give you a snapshot into watercolour. Every single day will be something different, and I'm going to aim to pop it onto a pad to make like a little advent calendar design. So some of them will be a bit more illustrative, some will be more watercolour, picture based. I'm going to do a mix of everything, so it's going to be nice and fun. I'm going to pop up on the screen now a screenshot of a challenge like diary that you can tick off, and I'm going to pop that on my community page as well. So what I've actually bought is something called Artway Indigo, and it is a concertina pad. So it goes quite a way. It's a cotton paper. I've not used it yet. I'm just about to start recording these, and then it fastens up. They're really reasonable on Amazon, so I'll pop a link on if you want to do that. Obviously you don't have to do that, and what you could do is just use little bits of watercolour paper and you could pin them up on like a washing line with little pegs like you do Christmas cards. That would be quite nice as a little Advent challenge. I just think it's not always great to wait for January to do these things. I think everybody likes to start in January and think, oh, I've got a new hobby. But this gives you an opportunity to start now and learn a little bit. And then if this goes well, I'll do something similar in January as well. So I shall start videoing today, and they will start to come up from the 1st of December. I've got lots of ideas, and I hope some of you will join me in the challenge.